Welcome back to the Simply Balanced Life. Today I'm going to share with you some tips to help you improve your eating habits. Are you ready to make positive changes to your eating habits? The key is set incremental and achievable goals that enable your body stay in balance while adapting to a healthier nutritional regime over time. Let's review some top tips to create healthy eating habits that stick. Tip 1. Hydrate right. Be sure to drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses each day. To make it easy to get your daily fill of H2O, get a set of reusable glass water bottles. Also, keep alcoholic and sugary drinks to a minimum. Tip 2. Go whole. Incorporate lots of whole foods into your nutritional regime. Fresh produce, whole grains, plant-based proteins, and unprocessed foods aren't just healthy for you, they are super yummy as well. Tip 3. Prep meals. Invest some time in planning a healthy grocery list, organizing your kitchen, and preparing your meals and snacks ahead of time. You'll not only reduce the likelihood of choosing unhealthy options, you'll generate less food waste. Tip 4. Celebrate variety. Consume a variety of foods and commit to trying a new recipe each week. Try to experiment with colors and taste the rainbow. The more colorful your plate, the more likely you'll be getting a rich mix of nutrients and antioxidants. Tip 5. Gut feelings. So many of our eating habits are driven by emotion. Don't beat yourself up over your eating habits. Instead, find non-food-based activities and methods to soothe your stress, reward your accomplishments, and bond with others. Tip 6. Start cooking. Cook more and try new healthy recipes. Also, look for ways to make your cooking methods healthy. Little changes, like baking instead of frying, can go a long way. Tip 7. Stock up. Keep lots of produce, whole grain foods, and healthy proteins on hand at home and at work. The more healthy food you have on hand, the less likely you'll end up eating unhealthy options. Tip 8. Stay fresh. Eat seasonal fruit and veggies for the ripest taste and lowest environmental impact. Choose organic dairy and produce when you can, particularly for high pesticides produce like apples, berries, tomatoes, and greens. Tip 9. Control portions. Buy a food scale and whip out the measuring cups to gauge your portions correctly. If you have trouble with portion control, try divvying your meals and snacks up into single servings. Tip 10. Do you? Figure out what good health means to you, then tailor your nutritional regime to support your ideal healthy lifestyle. Avoid following diet plans determined by others unless you're working one-on-one with a certified nutritionist or registered dietitian. Tip 11. Inform yourself. Read ingredient lists and nutrition labels. Try to learn where your food comes from and how it was prepared. You'll feel more connected with your food and make more informed decisions. Tip 12. Eat snacks. Don't eliminate snacks from your eating plan. Goodies and treats can be healthy, and even if they aren't, it's okay to indulge every once in a while. Plus, snacks provide critical energy throughout the day and help satiate your hunger between meals. Tip 13. Be consistent. Develop an eating routine and stick with it. Aim to eat 3 square meals, including breakfast, plus a few snacks every day. Most importantly, don't skip or delay meals, and never let yourself become starving. Tip 14. Slow down. Be an intentional and intuitive eater. Take time to enjoy your food while you're eating by minimizing distractions and focusing on your meal. You'll feel more nourished and be better able to detect when you are full. Tip 15. Get out. You don't have to sacrifice your commitment to health while eating away from home. Pack a healthy meal and snacks to take with you to work or school. If you're eating out, make healthy decisions and stick with regular portion sizes. Tip 16. Swap out. Review your everyday meals and snacks for healthy changes that you can easily implement. Rather than focus on removing unhealthy foods, try to incorporate more healthy foods into your diet. Tip 17. Try first. Try eating your fruits and vegetables at the start of your meals before you get full. Also, eat a healthy snack before reaching for an unhealthy option. You might find that you're no longer craving what you were initially hungry for. Tip 18. Find support. Get your friends and family on board with your eating habits. Try to eat healthy meals with others when you can. You'll not only enjoy your meals more, you'll feel more connected to the people that matter most. Tip 19. Flex foods. Finally, remember that being healthy is an evolution, not a set destination. Changing your entire nutritional regime overnight is a recipe for failure. Remain flexible and focus on small incremental changes to create healthy eating habits that stick. Alright, I've shared my top tips for creating healthy eating habits that stick, and now I want to hear from you. What healthy eating habits will you try out? What steps will you take to stick with your new habits? Do you have any questions or tips? Be sure to share in the comments below. For more strategies on how to create healthy eating habits that stick, head over to thesiemplybalancedlife.com. You can learn all my tips and tricks for eating a balanced diet. Plus, I'll share with you some of my favorite recipes and treats. Once you're there, be sure to download the free printable meal planning kit to help you stick with your healthy eating habits. All links are down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely hope that this video helps you achieve balance and simplicity in your eating habits. Don't forget to share this video, give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to click the subscribe button and bell notification icon to stay in the loop. See you next time.